People, welcome back to my Patreon page. And today is midnight, just before Friday morning. So we have one more trading day left, and then we'll have weekend. I could not wait for the weekend to post this analysis because the in the one of corrective patterns are about to complete in gold and silver, and it's a very nice trading setup. So I just could not wait, and you get this by being member of my Patreon page. So a timely post analysis for you guys. We're going to discuss a couple of opportunities, trading opportunities. They are going to be one of the trading opportunities which will see very fine trading opportunities. We'll discuss platinum, silver, and gold, and then we'll discuss if we can see some forex currencies as well. Let's start from gold. First of all, there is more an evidence. I on a weekend on previous weekend I forecasted you guys that we are going up right over here, and we have jumped up quite a bit. The expectation was that the swing would go all the way right over here in this region, but right now the price structure is indicating that we are not going to go all the way right over here too. We are seeing a clear zigzag pattern right over here too. We have wave A and wave B ending right over here too. So this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So A, B, C structure. I'm seeing this right over here. I would quickly label it right over here so you can actually benefit from it. And then we can clearly label this one wave 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And the why reason I'm saying is that this is an amazing trading opportunity where you will maybe get 1 to 10 ratio from risk to reward. So 1 to 10, you have heard me right. It's not a I'm not it's not a dream, but the market is looking it that way. First of all, we need to understand how further we are expecting for the prices to go. So since wave 3 is the strongest, and I'm expecting that this price movement would go up in this area, giving us a price target somewhere in this range right over here too, which finds to be in the structural support of this region. Once the prices reach right over here too, we'll wait for the prices to fall back and fall back below this right over here, which is 1836. So we would have about $18 from this bottom to go up, and about $18, $19 from top to fall down. Once the prices fall back down right over here, we can definitely use this top as a reference point, and we are expecting for gold to go another $200 down, about $200 down. We are expecting for the gold to go right over here too, and we are expecting for gold to fall on this trend line. If I can draw that trend line right over here too, there is a possibility and that we can find all the way right over here too. So it's a good about $200, $180 distance from the top, 1854 to 1684, about $180, which comes to about 18 to $18 risk and $180 profit um, per ounce of gold. That brings it to 1 ratio 20, 1 ratio 10 actually, not 20, 1 ratio 10 risk to reward ratio. So I just could not wait. I'm expecting that we're gonna see a quicker price move and then a quicker price move downward. So I wanted to bring it to you guys. This is the forecast for gold. We are expecting to find this price movement in quite maybe about 2 weeks time. So this is expected to be falling down in about 2 weeks time, and then we can bring our wave 4 to be right over here too for gold analysis, and here we can go long. But it's too early to say. For now we are just focusing on prices going up a bit and then falling down, giving us a ideal trading setup. Silver is all setting up again once again. Very good trading setup for silver as well. Silver has gone deeper a little as compared to gold, but it is giving us a trading opportunity. We have W, wave A, wave B, and wave C, and then we have X. So we have A, B, and C. A little push upward is expected in silver as well. Let me bring that down right over here too, so you can actually let's cross that, and then we can use simple A, B, C and this is X. We have another A, B, C right over here too. So when prices goes up and falls below this particular important support right over here too, I'm expecting that it won't be going a deeper price action. I'm expecting that this support structure that we have seen in the previous price movement is going to be an important one for price of silver to go up right over here too. Let's keep right over here too. So when price falls goes up and falls down below, we can put our stop loss beyond this support structure point right over here, just maybe a 2 point or two up right over here too. And then we are looking for a deeper price movement in silver. The reason is because silver has already broken the support, the horizontal support. It's kind of retesting it right now. Let me bring that right over here too. We can delete these now if you guys understand what these zigzags are. So let's have a clear picture of the price movement. We can see that the horizontal support is broken. This support is broken, diagonal one as well. We got retested. We are going up again right now, and we're going to come down right over here too. So there's a possibility that silver will fall even more vigorously downward. This is the price range target for silver right over here too. Let's bring it right over here in this region. 1650 would be our target, and then we'll keep a close eye on the price action. So this is once again is going to be very ideal trading setup for silver as well. So I wanted to present that to you guys. Platinum, we were expecting for platinum to go all the way up right over here. Instead, we are seeing that we have seen an expanded flat forming in platinum right over here too, giving us an even more indication that bulls are not interested in pushing the prices right over to you. So I'm considering right now as wave, an impulsive wave downward, and then A, B, and C, an expanded flat. So right now I'm considering that platinum is going to reverse. Let me delete that, and let me delete that, and we can draw 30-minute time frame right over here too. Let's have a bring right over here too. We are forming double top on this region. We can definitely wait for the prices to drop below 953, and then we can put our stop loss beyond the double top right over here too, and then we can wait for platinum to drop further down. The reason once again is pretty clear, that we are at a very close juncture of this very important support. I have a feeling that the market is respecting this diagonal support more, and here we can see that this diagonal support has been broken already. We went up, and right now we're forming an expanded flat after that impulsive move downward, giving us an indication that we are expecting for the price of platinum to fall further down, and all of this could be another $100 from this top right over here too. So we are looking for 850 or 860 right over here. It could go even a little further down. Once again, this is a very easy trading setup for platinum as well. Let's have a look at Canadian dollar, because we are also discussing the commodity currencies as well. Okay, on 4-hourly time frame, I'm trying to speak softer, and I'm pretty sure you guys are feeling it. The reason is because my family is asleep and I'm awake. I'm trying to give you an update to you guys too. It's right about 11 p.m. in the night here in Canada. Right, so I was up. I'm like, okay, time to make a forecast. So I'm expecting that this region, first off, we have seen a support. Now the support is coming at a higher price area. I'm expecting that we're going to see this price behavior, and it's just going to be an impulsive one. Let's have a look on a daily time frame. So we have broken that support, horizontal support already. We have broken this support already right over here too, and the price structures are giving us an indication that we are going to see a swing like this one here in Canadian dollar, and this is going to be an important one. I wanted to bring it to your attention once again. If you are interested in Canadian dollar, you can wait for the break of this very important support structure, and then put the stop loss wherever the bottom is formed and go long on the chart. We have a New Zealand dollar. We went up. I told you guys that you're expecting for the price to go up. We have gone up enough, not that deep though. So we can do is we can wait on an hourly time frame, and there is a possibility that we are gonna see the chart is a little not clear. I can see this pattern pretty clear. I can see this pattern pretty clear. I can see this pattern pretty clear, but this pattern is a little messy. Could we make it with wave 1 and 2 and wave 3 and 4 and 5? One more price movement up is expected. We shall keep a close eye, and because the price structure is a little messier, either we're going to consider this as wave 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, or either we're going to consider it as wave 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So it's good idea to see um, when prices go up, you can wait for the break of the support area, and if the prices do not break below the support area, they would be finishing a correctional structure. As the prices go up and make a correction and then go up again, you can definitely use that structure to enter into the market. The major swing right now we are expecting in the New Zealand dollar is going to be bearish. Alright, I was expecting for it to go all the way right over here in this region, and right now it's looking like that we are going to go down as soon as that happens. Alright, so once again, keep a close eye on the price structure. I'm expecting that when price goes up and falls below this particular structure, we should go bearish. On the New Zealand dollar, I'm clearly bearish on New Zealand dollar after this. And we have Australian dollar. I'm thinking that this could be an ending diagonal, and this could be an ending diverging diagonal, something like this. Right over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So one more push upward is expected in Australian dollar right over here too. If price falls below this one right over here too, before going up, in that case it will turn negative. And once again, I'm turning bearish on Australian dollar as soon as price goes up and falls below either this support or that support. So when price can go up, you can use this support. If price actually decides to fall below right over here, you can use this support to go short. It's once another elegant trading setup in Australian dollar. We have discussed Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar. Let's have a look at S&P 500. So let's have a look. Could we be looking at something like this? You know, A, B, and C, and then forming downward right over here too. Alright. I'll wait for the double top to form before going down. Alright. So this is a similar pattern that we are seeing in S&P 500, Dow Jones 30, and Nasdaq 100 as well. I hope that you guys will be able to take some benefit from this, especially gold, silver are showing some very elegant trading setup. The commodity currencies, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, and Canadian dollar are also showing some very nice trading opportunities, and I wanted to bring it to you guys in the time. So that's the reason. I really wish you good luck with it. Just because I'm speaking softly doesn't mean that I'm not passionate. I'm really happy with the trading setup that we are seeing. So I really wish that you guys will be able to take advantage. We are seeing a major fall in the price of gold and silver and platinum, and I really hope that you guys can actually take some advantage of it. Once again, please do understand that money management is a very crucial part of trading. If I was a profit, I mean, not if I was a profit, I could see that in the future. Definitely, I would be a billionaire. So we can use Elliott wave analysis or other tools to forecast or to analyze the market. So there's always a chance of failure. Keep that in mind. We use money management rules and risk less and try to take profits large. Wish you good luck with your trading. Have a good one, and bye bye.